All right, this time we're going to do a setup row for Tunisian crochet. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn here and you're going to make a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 7. So we'll get that on there nice and tight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 loops that are ready to go. Now you're going to be working into the top of these loops. So go in to this first one here and pick up a loop, leave it on your hook, because we're going to be working directly from that loop. Next one, put it through, pick up a loop, put it through, pick up a loop, put your hook through the top of this loop and pick up another loop. Keep going on down the line here until we get to our 7th loop, and you should have 7 loops on your hook, like so. Now we're going to chain 1 so we can start a return pass and go through 2 loops on your return pass. Yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, all the way down until the end. And there you go. Now you can start doing either a Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian purl stitch, Tunisian knit stitch, whatever you need to do, you can start it from here. So that's how you make your setup row. I hope that this was helpful for you, and if it was, please give us a thumbs up, and I will see you again soon. Bye.